How to collect a sample for TruDiagnostic's blood spot card. Your sample cannot be processed until it is registered, so please first register your blood collection kit at TruDiagnostic.com/register or by scanning the QR code on the back of the instruction booklet. Your kit will come with the following: a blood spot card, 2 lancets, an alcohol wipe, a bandage, a dry gauze pad, a prepaid return envelope, a biohazard bag, and a step-by-step instruction guide that will help you through this process with tips to make the collection process easier. We recommend reading the entire instruction guide before you begin. After you register your kit, make sure to wash your hands thoroughly with soap and warm water. Dry thoroughly with a clean towel, then use the alcohol wipe to clean your preferred finger for collection and let the skin dry completely. Once your finger is dry, twist the cap off one of the lancets to ready it for use. Align the lancet's tip against your chosen fingertip and press firmly to activate the internal spring. This will puncture the skin with a small, sterile needle. Wipe away the first drop of blood with a dry gauze pad. Now, apply blood onto the blood spot card. Remember not to touch your fingertip directly to the card, as this may restrict blood flow and close the puncture too early. You can try massaging your palm and firmly squeezing down the length of your finger to help extract blood quickly. Once you have fully saturated the circle outlined on the card, apply a bandage to your fingertip. Then, set the blood spot card in a safe place for at least 3 hours so it can dry completely. Do not apply forced heat like a hairdryer or oven to speed drying, as this can damage the DNA inside. Room temperature is best. Once the blood spot is dry, place the card inside the biohazard bag and seal it shut. Place the biohazard bag inside the prepaid envelope and seal it firmly shut. Drop the envelope at any USPS drop box. Shipping is already prepaid. Thank you for purchasing your blood collection kit, and we look forward to revealing your true age.